In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Docs and PDFs from HubSpot in less than 60 seconds. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your Documents or Quotes tool. So click onto the search bar and search right here for Documents. And after that, you can see it right here and click onto this right there in order to open it. Once you have opened this, you can either create a new document or upload a new one. Just click onto this, Upload. Just right here Google Drive if it's available. So click onto this, and accept and connect. Then just continue connecting. Just right here the actual Google Docs that you want and click on select. And then from in there, it will be added right here. So once it's added, you have the option to edit it and then change its actual descriptions and the likes. With this, you can generate and share it for other people if you would want to. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.